Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will try to show you some of the cool features and tricks of this amazing device, Samsung Galaxy S9. So, let's get started. I really hope you have subscribed to my channel. If not, just click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so you will never miss any of my videos. You will constantly get notifications whenever I make or post a new video. I have made several videos on Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. To see them, just click here. You will see a playlist. Just click on the playlist and you can see all my videos which I have made recently. Now you can turn the display of Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus from portrait to landscape mode by just doing these simple steps. By default it doesn't come like that, but you can definitely go in the settings, go in the display, click on home screen. There's an option portrait mode only, just disable that. Now you can turn the display around like a desktop mode. So when you click on advanced feature in setting, there is another option of dual messenger. Now this is not something new. Xiaomi and some other manufacturer have already tried to include this feature in their UI. It's good that Samsung has included this useful feature. So now you can have two WhatsApp, two Facebook, two Twitter account in the same device. This is a new feature. So you have now dual messenger. If you have suppose two Facebook account, you can see this is a demo version, so it's not installed, but you can install two Facebook and use both of them. Same can be done for WhatsApp, YouTube, if you have dual accounts. But this is a dual messenger. It's an awesome application by Samsung. There are a lot of customization options for the home screen of Samsung Galaxy S9. Just press and hold the home screen. There is an option home screen setting on the right. Click on that. Now click on home screen layout. By default it comes home screen and app screen. You can change it to home screen only. Click on apply. Again click on apply. Now when you swipe up you will have the search option. And when you swipe right you will have all the applications. Now, suppose you don't like this layout, you can always go back to the default setting. Now once you swipe up you will have the application, you swipe down you will have the applications. Samsung gives you an option to have the application button on the home screen. Nowadays nobody uses it, but the old Android version used to have it. So there is an option. You can just keep the applications. If you apply, it will give you the old kind of Android feeling. Android 5 maybe, or Android Marshmallow. So normally swiping up to see the applications are normal, but we are used to seeing when you swipe down it should show the notification. You can change this in Samsung S9 by clicking on the home screen. There's an option quick open notification panel. Now when you swipe up you will have the application, but when you swipe down it will show you the notification panel. It's actually more convenient. So when you go to the display settings, Samsung has given 4 options. Adaptive display being one of the best. My advice, keep it as default setting. For me, I think adaptive display is the best mode. The color pops amazingly. But if you want, you can change it to cinema, which is a bit orangish. Or the AMOLED photo, which again have the blue and orange tint. And the basic is like very dull colors. I think the best one is the adaptive display mode. Also you can change the temperature to cool or warm according to your liking. Also there is an advanced option. Suppose you are facing any issue with red tint on your screen or screen is yellowish. You can adjust the setting over here by changing the colors to low or high as you like. Now the screen resolution, as we all know, is Quad HD. But if you want to save your battery, you can keep it on full HD, and it will save a bit of battery life. Some of the apps, because of the odd resolution 18.5 by 9, some of the application will look small in the screen. So Samsung is giving an option of full screen apps. You can always change the display size to, for example, if you have watching YouTube or Gmail, you can change it by default, or you can change it to the full screen, which will cover the whole screen area of 18.5 by 9. Screen timeout basically is your screen will not turn off until these minutes. By default it's coming as 30 seconds. You can keep it 10 minutes maximum and 15-second minimum. By default is 30 seconds. Also, this is a very good feature. You can keep it on, block accidental touches. So suppose your phone is in your pocket or something, it will avoid doing that. There is also a video enhancer, which you can turn it on, which will, you can see the colors will pop if you're watching a movie or media file. Let me show you. So this is without the video enhancer, and when you click it on, it will enhance the quality of the video. It can be a YouTube video, it can be a downloaded video. And when you go to the advanced feature, you definitely have one hand mode. So one hand mode, by swiping up diagonally, you can change it. You can change the size. Can be handy if you're using the S9 Plus, which is the huge device. Quick launch camera. So when you press the power key twice, it will launch the camera. Now always on display you can find in the lock screen. Now you can do a lot of things. You can keep home button and clock information, home button. If you just want the clock, you don't need the home button option. You can do so. You can keep home button and clock together. I think just the clock looks very neat, because anyways you know where to press the home button. So let's see how does it look. I think we all know that, but I've just included this in the video. You can change the size of the font, large, medium, small. Also you can change the style of the font to Gothic bold or cool jazz. There are plenty of them, plus you can download some more from the Play Store just to make your phone look more cool, you can say. Also you can change the navigation. You can change the navigation bar. You can change the color. I will like to keep it simple, but you have an option to change the navigation bar color. Unlock with home button. You can change the button layout, recent. You can see recent, home and back. This is for the back. You can change it to back, home, and recent, as you like, as you are comfortable with. Also, not to mention that you can hide any applications which you don't need on your home screen. For example, I'll hide the camera here. You can click on apply to hide it. But you can always search the application even if it's hidden and use it. Just go to the search option, type the application name like camera, and here it is. You can use the application. To unhide, again press and hold the home screen and go to the settings. Go to hide applications options and unhide the applications which you have hidden. So again, all these apps will show in the home screen after applying it. So guys, there are a lot more features in this device, but I'm still waiting for my device to arrive. This is the demo unit I was using. When my device will arrive, I'll make some more videos on some more cool tips and tricks. Most of the features are similar to what we have seen in Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy Note 8. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.